All right, everybody, here's your Metro Roofing and Remodeling COVID-19 update. So just a quick update on some things that we're doing right now to continue keeping our employees, our customers, and all of our installers safe at Metro. We're still practicing social distancing, so we're keeping away from everybody. No fist bumps, no handshakes, no hugs, no high fives, all that good stuff. We're also still wearing our rubber gloves just to make sure, things that we're touching, we're not spreading any germs, bacteria, stuff like that. And of course, we still are wearing our beloved masks, the masks that everybody loves so much. We're still wearing those. We don't want to pass these things along, just to make sure we're keeping you safe and everybody else around us. So now that we're a few months into this whole COVID thing and we're all still trying to figure out how to operate as efficiently as possible without sacrificing any kind of quality or the customer service that we always strive for, is we're really continuing to utilize smart docks, which has been tremendously helpful for everybody. We can send over proposals, detailed estimates, things like that, send them to you digitally. You can review them. If you approve them, you can sign it all on the e-docs, and you never even have to see us in person. The other thing that we're also doing is we can still accept payments digitally. If you want to make a payment with your credit card, we'll send you a link. You can make that payment super, super easy. No issues there. So one of the other really nice things that we also have been taking advantage of is digital measurements, aerial photography. We actually use satellite images right now, and we can get a full takeoff from your siding, your windows, your roof, all from digital measurements. That allows us to be able to put a proposal together for you. They're accurate, just as someone coming out to your house. We can put those proposals together and send those over to you for your review. For your color selections and choosing the right products for your house, whether it be shingles, windows, siding, whatever it is, we can drop those samples off for you so you can make your selections live. And if you prefer also, we can send you links to all of our manufacturers. You can view all those products. And then for your convenience too, we also offer free design consultations. So if you're having a hard time visualizing what your siding is going to look like before it goes on the house, you can simply tell us what your favorite colors are, and we can take a picture of your house and actually impose those products that you choose into the design and show you exactly what that would look like before we actually even start the work. The feedback we've gotten from our customers has been huge. People love it. Every single customer we've done that with, they all say it's been one of the most important things that helped them make the decision for the colors that they chose. And did we mention that the design consultations are free for all our customers? Thanks for listening to our COVID-19 update. We look forward to serving you any way that we can.